At Dubai Airshow 2025, a new UCAV from Edge Group immediately stole the spotlight. Its name is JENIAH, and it arrived not just as an ordinary combat drone. How far can a UCAV go when equipped with high speed? How flexible can an airborne platform be when it can carry multi-role payloads in a single mission? JENIAH is the answer. Yet those two features are only the beginning. There is still an array of other capabilities that make JENIAH so promising, and possibly the new standard for future unmanned aerial systems. So keep your eyes on this story. In a tightly guarded enemy territory, tension choked the air inside the adversary's air defense control room. Their advanced radars swept the skies continuously, searching for even the slightest threat. But at cruising altitude, a shadow streaked through the air undetected. It was JENIAH, the pride of its fleet, conducting a covert infiltration mission in the red zone. Moving at a cruising speed of Mach 0.7, the unmanned aircraft drifted like a ghost at night, using its advanced aerodynamic design and low observability characteristics to slip through the seams of modern air defense radar networks that should have been impenetrable. The mission was extremely complex, a multi-domain operation requiring high flexibility. Operators stationed hundreds of kilometers away monitored the real-time data being transmitted. At first, JENIAH acted as the eye in the sky, using its advanced reconnaissance package to scan enemy naval activity in shallow waters, before shifting its focus to the main target on land, a high-value command facility hidden behind a hill. JENIAH's strength lies in its ability to carry up to 480 kilograms of payload, which in this mission was configured not only to observe, but also to destroy. Once the target was locked, the mission profile changed drastically, from intelligence gathering to precision strike. The operator issued the execution command. JENIAH's engine roared, pushing the aircraft beyond its usual speed limits, breaking past 1,000 kilometers per hour. This surge in speed turned it into a projectile that was difficult to chase, minimizing the enemy's reaction time. Down below, warning sirens had just begun to wail, but it was already too late. The payload bay doors opened, releasing precision-guided munitions that plunged straight into the facility's vital point. A massive explosion lit up the operator's thermal screen, confirming the target had been neutralized with surgical accuracy. But the mission was not over. The remaining enemy defense systems were now fully active, launching intercept missiles toward the source of the attack. This was where JENIAH's agility and high speed were put to the test. With sharp maneuvers and its maximum velocity, the UCAV quickly escaped the danger zone, leaving chaos in its wake while maintaining a minimal radar signature. It returned safely to friendly territory, proving that the combination of speed, strategic payload capacity, and stealth capability makes it an invaluable asset, one that boosts operational effectiveness while keeping personnel safe from direct combat risks. Seeing such extraordinary performance, what should be added next to make it even better? That's all for today, and thanks for watching.